Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make chicken sukiyaki, traditional Japanese hot pot. Usually we make it with beef, but this time I will show you how to make it with grilled chicken. It is very tasty and delicious. I hope you can try it out. This video is made in VR180 format. You can move around the screen 180 degrees, and also if you have a Google Cardboard or whatever the headset available, you can view this kitchen in 3D view. Put your headset on and let's cook together. I hope you enjoy this video. Here are the ingredients. Written recipe is always in the description box, so please check it out. Today I have a special guest, my mom.
Hi.
Let's get started. So first we wanted to season the chicken. Cut the skin off the chicken so that it won't shrink. Lightly sprinkle with sake to remove bad smell. Season with salt and pepper. Then leave for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the vegetables. Cut the long onion into diagonal pieces, like this. Cut shirataki into bite-sized pieces. And cut shiitake mushrooms in half or in bite-sized pieces. Yaki-Dofu, grilled tofu into bite-sized pieces. And if you can't find grilled tofu, you can use firm tofu. Carrot. It cooks faster and it looks beautiful in this way, so try this out. This is watercress. We are going to use this instead of Shungiku, if you know. It's a Japanese vegetable. So you don't have to heat cooking oil because we are using non-stick pan. We're going to cook the long onions so that the flavor of the long onions transfer to the chicken and the chicken becomes really tasty and delicious. It's nicely golden brown. I'm going to make sukiyaki sauce, Warishita. I have 100 milliliters of water and the same amount of sake. And the same amount of mirin. And the same amount of soy sauce. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. And mix them together. I'm going to add Warishita, sukiyaki sauce, so arrange everything nicely and wait until everything is cooked. If you are going to eat on the table, you wanted to carry this to a portable stove and then finish with watercress. Put on the serving plate and mix the egg and put sukiyaki. Oishishou. And then eat. Amazing.
Okay.